I think if we linger on considerations for asset managers for just a moment, right? I think other considerations include capacity constraints and distribution. The first one, capacity constraints, comes somewhat naturally to asset managers. They're used to thinking about evaluating and managing capacity. And this would be another channel or outlet for that type of evaluation and consideration. If a particular product has, for example, $2 billion worth of aggregate capacity left, how much of that capacity does the manager want to dedicate to models in the aggregate? Let's say it's half of that. Maybe they want to dedicate $1 billion to models. And then they're going to likely have to go through that same exercise as it relates to distinct distribution platforms that want to hire them for the models, because those distribution platforms are going to want to know that if a product is launched or initiated on the platform, that it has a reasonable amount of capacity. The other thing, and this is an area where we obviously specialize at Flex, is helping managers think through a distribution plan for the model. Fuse Research and others have done an enormous amount of work in this space, and the attractiveness of the model space has brought in dozens and dozens of new entrants to this space. In some ways, it's now the most competitive space to enter and compete. So while easy to create the product, kind of raising assets afterwards is the hard part. And so that's another, I'll just frame it as that has to be a key consideration in the overall product development and evaluation process.